Today I was going to go over it seems like one of the simple things that we see and deal with, but it's something that comes up a lot. And that's when people are getting into the real estate game, or even, seasoned veterans, on being rejected or how to avoid the rejection by lenders. So number one that we see all the time is understanding that no two lenders are the same. They're all different. There's hundreds of products out there for the real estate loans, and especially in the investor world, there's just a lot of different loans. So each lender might carry different products, which are different loans, and they also might focus on different customers. And that's what number two is you need to find out when you're talking to them, what is their focus? So their focus may be first-time home buyers. It may be they work with commercial properties, or they work with jumbos. You want to find someone that is focused on the real estate investor. Here's kind of an example. Let's just say you're looking for an appliance or electronics. It's like going to the difference between something like Target and Best Buy. Even though Target does have a small little electronics and appliance section, they don't specialize in it. So you want to find someone who's focused, like a Best Buy, who has all the electronics, has the people there who understand it. So when you're looking at this, to avoid rejections, you want to focus and find the people who actually focus on the real estate investors. I said focus there a lot. So number three, you want to make sure they have options for you. What does this mean? Some banks, lenders might just have one box, and they'll ask you to come in and apply and see if you fit in their box. Where other lenders have many different kinds of boxes, many different kinds of loans, and they're going to take it in the other direction. They're going to see what box you fit in now and what box you can fit in as you grow over the next couple of years. So when you call around, you're going to look for lenders that are focused on investors and have options. So knowing your numbers allows you to understand exactly where you fit, and allows your lender to help you understand where you fit. So you actually get the loan that you're looking for, and that they just don't say they don't have anything. What are those numbers? Your credit score, your income, and your experience. So if you know this information, and when you're calling around looking for your options, and if they focus on it, you're going to actually know and give them that information to help them put you in the right loan at the right time. Number five, this is all simple stuff, and this might be the simplest, is tell the truth. So when you're talking to your bank, your lender, let them know if you've had a bankruptcy. Let them know if your credit cards are a little maxed out. Let them know if you've missed a payment, because they're going to find out sooner or later. And it's not that they want to maybe not put you in a loan, but they probably have a loan for you right now, and they could put you in a loan that will help you in the future also. So tell them the truth. Don't hide anything. Don't pretend like you're going to get away with something, because as soon as they find one mistruth, they're going to look for more. And a little bonus here, look for a lender that's going to grow with you, because your credit score, income, experience is one thing now, but it's going to change over the next couple of years, and so are the products. So you want someone that's going to make this easy for you, that understands exactly where you're at and where you want to go. We have a lot of tools here that could help you, so check out our websites, check out us on Facebook, and thank you, and as always, happy investing.